As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it's clear that its influence will extend beyond the realms of business, military, and cybersecurity. AI is starting to shape the very fabric of global politics. From managing entire economies to predicting electoral outcomes, AI's role in governance is growing at an unprecedented rate. This chapter explores how AI is impacting politics around the world, from the decision-making processes of governments to the way political campaigns are run, and how it might soon determine who gets to govern and how they do it. Historically, political leaders have made decisions based on their experiences, advisors, public opinion, and strategic calculations. However, as the complexity of global issues increases, these methods are becoming outdated. Today, many governments are turning to AI-powered tools to help make more informed, data-driven decisions. Governments are using AI to analyze massive data sets, ranging from economic indicators to public sentiment on social media, to predict trends and outcomes. This allows them to tailor policies based on future projections rather than historical data. For instance, AI can help forecast economic downturns, predict the impact of climate change, or analyze the potential effects of public health interventions. In fact, AI is already being used to manage national economies. Algorithms designed to monitor spending, taxation, and market dynamics can optimize fiscal policies and even respond to economic crises in real time. Countries like China have begun experimenting with AI-assisted governance, where intelligent systems help in decision-making at local, regional, and national levels. This shift toward algorithmic governance raises profound questions. Can machines make better decisions than humans? Can they be more objective, free from political bias and corruption? Or do we risk sacrificing the human touch in governance, leading to a world where politicians no longer make the most crucial decisions? AI is also playing a significant role in election campaigns, altering the way political leaders connect with voters and influence public opinion. Machine learning algorithms are increasingly used to predict voting patterns, target ads, and optimize campaign strategies. By processing vast amounts of social media data, political campaigns can fine-tune their messaging to appeal to specific demographics. But AI's impact on elections goes beyond just targeted advertising. In the past few years, we've seen a surge in the use of deepfakes, AI-generated video and audio that can be used to manipulate public perception. These technologies can create fake footage of politicians saying things they never said or engaging in actions they never took. As AI deepens its reach into media production, it becomes easier for malicious actors to spread disinformation and influence voters. Additionally, AI-powered bots and social media influencers can be used to sway public opinion. These bots can create viral content, spark political debates, and even amplify extremist views. In some cases, entire campaigns are run by algorithms designed to polarize the public, making it easier for political entities to control the narrative. Digital manipulation of elections using AI may soon become more common than traditional forms of campaigning. The question then arises, how can we safeguard democratic processes from AI-driven interference? While AI's potential to enhance democracy is being explored, the reality is that authoritarian regimes are making far more rapid strides in weaponizing AI to maintain control over their citizens. Countries like China are leveraging AI to build surveillance states, where facial recognition, social credit systems, and real-time monitoring of public behavior keep citizens in check. AI systems are being employed to predict protests, identify dissidents, and even manipulate social media to control the flow of information. In these systems, the state is not just a passive observer, it is an active participant, using AI to predict, influence, and suppress behaviors that are seen as dissenting. China's social credit system is perhaps the most well-known example of AI's role in authoritarian governance. By collecting data on citizens' behaviors, financial history, and even social interactions, the Chinese government uses AI to assign scores that determine an individual's access to jobs, bank loans, and travel opportunities. This system reinforces state control over every aspect of life and further entrenches political power. The question we must ask is, Will AI create a new generation of surveillance-based authoritarianism across the world? Will it enable governments to maintain power by knowing their citizens better than the citizens know themselves? On a more positive note, AI can contribute to political stability by creating predictive models of social unrest, economic instability, and even conflict. Governments can use AI to understand underlying causes of tensions, whether they be economic, racial, or environmental, and proactively address them before they escalate. For instance, AI can be used to monitor social media for signs of unrest, analyze public opinion on controversial policies, or assess the effectiveness of diplomatic efforts. By doing so, political leaders can address potential issues before they become full-blown crises. AI could even assist in conflict resolution, providing data-driven recommendations for negotiating peace agreements or reducing military tensions. However, the danger here lies in the concentration of power. If AI can predict public sentiment and shape political discourse, it may be too tempting for leaders to use it to manipulate elections or consolidate their power, rather than to serve the public good. Perhaps the most intriguing possibility lies in the idea of AI as a governing entity. What if, in the future, the most effective, unbiased, and efficient leaders are not human at all, but AI-driven governments? Machines could oversee global resource distribution, set policies for climate change, and manage healthcare systems with a level of precision no human government could match. Some futurists even argue that we might see global AI governance, where AI algorithms, not politicians, make the best decisions for the world. Imagine a world council of AI that monitors the planet's resources, addresses crises like climate change, and even mediates disputes between nations. These AI systems could be designed to be completely impartial, free from corruption, and entirely logical, with a focus on long-term planetary sustainability. But of course, there's a dark side to this vision. Who programs these systems? Who ensures that they remain impartial? And ultimately, what happens when these AI entities start making decisions that humans cannot reverse or override? We're standing at a crossroads in global politics. On one side, there is the potential for AI to help create a more efficient, fairer, and more transparent system of governance. On the other, there's a growing risk that AI could erode democracy, give rise to surveillance states, and enable political manipulation on a scale previously unimaginable. As we continue down this path, one thing is certain: AI will reshape how we govern ourselves. Whether it will bring about a brighter future or a dystopian nightmare depends largely on how we choose to balance its benefits and risks. In the next chapter, we will explore AI's influence on the future of work, another area where its impact will be profound, disruptive, and possibly irreversible.